But this is about the lives of people who have cried year in, year out. Would she consider increasing the allocation? Because this affects the lives of people whose houses collapse every year, whose everything that belongs to them is washed away. And Mr. Speaker, we saw in Nakuru, when the dam broke and water went into people, collapsed people's houses, this government, Mr. Speaker, erected or built houses, new houses, in fact, permanent houses for those people in Nakuru. Why is it so difficult to build also houses for the people of Budalangi when they are affected by this flood that collapsed their houses?
Thank you. Last, Oundo.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. As you are aware, when Wanjala suffers, I suffer more, because when they are displaced, they come to stay at my place waiting for the water to recede. Honorable Speaker, allow me also to ask the Minister or the Cabinet Secretary that while they are trying to solve the issue of Kanyaboli in Alego Songa as well as Mdalangi, please ask the technical people to also include the riverbed around Mahabam in Namuduru sublocation, as long as the Sidoho Dam, that now because of the flooding from Budalangi has now combined, now we literally have a river connecting Sidoho Dam and Nzoia River, essentially displacing close to about 100 households